and they're off. Early lead is taken by Run the Dance. It's Run the Dance in the lead, followed by Gold Baron by the rail. Heading for the backstretch, Gold Baron on the outside, moving up on the inside is G-Spot. It's now G-Spot in the lead, followed by Gold Baron. And in the hay, Run the Dance, Heaven's Image, Cash, 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 and Siketa is bringing up the rear. Into the backstretch, Gold Baron on the outside, and in the hay, running in second by the rail, G-Spot, Run the Dance on the outside, Cash, 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 and by the rail is Heaven's Image. Nearing the fat turn, Gold Baron by a length and a half, followed by G-Spot by the rail in second, and on the outside is in the hay, Cash, 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 Heaven's Image, Run the Dance, and Siketa. Rounding the fat turn, it is still Gold Baron in the hay, moving up on the outside, and on the inside is G-Spot, and here comes Heaven's Image. It's now in the hay in the lead, followed by G-Spot by the rail. It's still in the hay on the outside, and G-Spot by the rail, Gold Baron, and Heaven's Image, Siketa moving up on the outside. The last bend for home in the hay in the lead on the outside, and by the rail is G-Spot. It's in the hay on the outside, G-Spot by the rail. In the hay on the outside, G-Spot by the rail, and Heaven's Image moving up on the farther outside in third. It is still in the hay in the lead, followed by G-Spot, and Heaven's Image moving up on the farther outside. And nearing the payoff line, it is still in the hay, and finally at the payoff line, in the hay, Heaven's Image, G-Spot, Siketa, Run the Dance, Cash, 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 and Gold Baron.